Peter Drucker always framed his business writing, whether on accounting or production or finance, around three timeless questions. What is our mission? Who is our customer? And what motivates people? Those questions are still the foundation of great strategy, and they're at the heart of the value proposition workshop. At its core, this process starts with the customer because if we don't understand why they buy, no amount of clever marketing or messaging will matter. But along the way, something else happens. As people craft the company's message together, they begin to reconnect their personal mission with the work they do every day. They see how their own motivation links to the customer's motivation, and that changes everything. When a company's purpose, customer insight, and human motivation align, they don't just get better marketing, you get a culture that believes in what it's building. That's not a slogan, it's Drucker's vision brought to life.